Now, forewarn weather with ExactTrack 4D radar. Exclusive technology for the most up-to-the-minute weather information in your neighborhood.
Much of our focus is on the continuing impact of Hurricane Idalia, this storm covering a 250-mile swath of the southeast. Take a look. This is some of the first flooding we've seen in Valdosta, Georgia. Although weaker, the storm still brought some heavy rains and winds of 90 miles an hour. You see the water there coming right up there to the decks of those homes. Meantime, things have calmed down a little bit in Florida. This is a live look at Steinhatchee along the Gulf Coast. Now, you can see a little bit of sun peeking through those clouds, but the storm's impact will be felt up and down the coast for quite some time. You saw the video and the pictures in Tampa as well. Brian filling in for Kim Adams on a very busy weather day.
Yeah, the National Weather Service in Tallahassee calling the storm surge up there in the Big Bend unprecedented. Nothing like this has ever been recorded since weather records were kept, and it could have been even worse, even despite what we're seeing now being bad enough as it is. ExactTrack 4D radar zooming down over the southeast tonight, showing that center of circulation of Hurricane Idalia still as of the 2 p.m. intermediate advisory just to the north of Jacksonville right here, looking a little more ragged, but the rain shield to the north of it bringing copious amounts of rain and flooding to northeastern Georgia all the way through South Carolina and up into North Carolina, where tropical storm warnings are in effect all the way up through the Outer Banks of North Carolina, as we're going to be dealing with Idalia for at least the next 24 to 36 hours. As of the 2 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center, still a Category 1 hurricane, maximum sustained winds around 75 miles an hour with gusts upwards of 115 miles an hour. As we go through the next 24 hours, we are expecting Idalia to weaken a little bit, especially as we get toward tomorrow morning, down to a tropical storm before moving out in the open Atlantic as we go through the end of the weekend to the weekend, kind of meandering right around Bermuda all the way for Sunday, then starting to move off to the north and east, out well into the open Atlantic by the time we get to early next week. Here at home, a very much a fall-like day across the region today. Tower Cam up in Southfield, some sunshine and a little bit of cloud cover with temperatures into the 60s to right around 70 degrees. 69 right now here in Detroit, 70 over in Ann Arbor, 62 as you work up into Lapeer, and 67 as you work down into Monroe. That's the story for most everybody as we go throughout the evening hours tonight. We're going to see these temperatures drop into the 50s as we go through the overnight hours tonight and into early tomorrow morning. But then we're going to see a drastic warm-up on the way as we head into next week as well, where we are looking at our first round of summer heat and humidity on the way as we head into early next week, where we could see temperatures really start to warm up into the 90s heading into early next week. Let's go to temperature forecast here. We're jetting it all the way to Sunday, where we're going to start off into the 60s early on Sunday morning, warm into the 80s to near 90 degrees by the time we get to Sunday afternoon. It'll be very warm as we go into early Monday morning for Labor Day, 70s overnight, but then we head into the 90s as we head into Monday afternoon. Most of the region low to mid-90s, and we're not going to cool off much by the time we get to Tuesday morning. We're into the 70s before we're back in the 90s yet again as we head into next Tuesday. So if you want that warmer weather, hold on. It's on the way. 50s overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. Really not looking bad for the Peach Festival Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. 80s on Saturday, low 90s Sunday and Monday. No rain in sight for at least the next 7 days. We're into the 90s all the way through the middle of next week. And Karen, it really looks like it could be over a week and a half before we see any kind of appreciable rainfall here in Metro Detroit.
Wow, it's crazy to see those 90s after Labor Day.
We haven't had many of those days
No, we
this
haven't.
year, so
Thanks, Brian.
Thank you.